No.
Take care, you gotta start doing one hand. You finna mess up.
Papa.
Sierra. I mean, Cadence.
Right here.
Papa.
Alex gonna be that.
Papa, she said no.
Huh? Clean your hand with this.
I'm good. Let me get some more.
See,
Put
she
it on my
ain't.
shirt if you don't mind.
She ain't scared of
You
nothing.
You gotta wash your hands. Just don't get
Huh?
on me.
Wipe your hand with that. You have to improvise. Or get you some of them leaves and clean your hands.
No, she go down to the washroom in a minute.
I'm talking about.
'Cause we almost through with this.
No,
one.
we ain't. We got to do the other side.
How
Ain't?
much?
You don't do one side pat on jack-o'-lantern?
Yeah.
I mean, you can do the other side, but I'm not doing it.
I ain't either. 'Cause I be done messed up.
Nobody do it.
I be done messed it
I
up.
mean, Alex could be with. Oh, look right here. Can't get it. Hold
You
on.
getting this stuff all over you, baby.
I'm sorry, Poppy. I love a jack-o'-lantern.
Them like Kayla.
You feel it?
Well, I'm not gonna be able to finish until you get out the way.
You hear it?
That's right. Cadence, enjoy your childhood days. You'll never get to play with this again when you get 15.